Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna check out this AirTag alternatives. Come on, let's check them out. All right, so these are the lower cost alternative to the AirTags. So these are the ANNWZZD. They work with the Apple Find My, and yeah, so this one is a 4-pack. I think for the 4-pack it costs around $40 something for the 4. So again, good value in there. Yeah, the model number is just ANNN tag. So basically that's it. So let's check what's in the box here. Just a very quick video. Oops. All right, so I dropped 2 already. I am dropping them all over. So yeah, so there's 4 of them, and they have some keyring included. So for me, I'm gonna probably use this as on my key fob. So I'm just gonna attach them on the key fob. And for this, it has a user manual. Yeah, so it has a user manual in here. So it gives you different languages. So there's some English, Chinese, Japanese. So yeah, so it actually works with the Find My. So to power on the device, we need to press and hold the button for about 3 seconds until it emits a prompt sound. There you go. So now it's active. What we're gonna do next is we're going to pair it on our phone. So let's do that. And so let's find my. All right, so we're gonna be adding this. So we're gonna do, because this is not an actual AirTag, we're gonna add it as other item. All right, so it was searching. There you go, and tag. Let's hit connect, and we're gonna put a name. So I'm gonna be putting this for the RAV4. So I'm just gonna put Blizz. That's the name of the RAV4 keys. All right, so let's put a emoji. So let's put, there you go, there's a snow in there. And there you go. Agree and finish. So now it is locating. Let's try to play a sound. It's very instant that it's beeping. But same with when stopping it. It's pretty accurate. So directions, basically it's with you. I think the only thing that this doesn't do is the actual it shows the actual direction where it is. Like when you're walking, you know what I mean, the actual one, the precise location thingy. So it tells you how many feet and if you're nearby. So yeah, on my cars though, I already have, I'm using some actual Apple AirTags on the cars. So I hide them somewhere. I hid them somewhere. So they're somewhere in there. So yeah, so for this one, I'll use this as a keychain on my key fob. So yeah, so again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. Again, very inexpensive alternative to the actual AirPods. I'm sorry, AirTags. All right, so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add one more, and this is for the Forerunner. So now let's add item. So it should be quick. There you go. And now for the keys. So let's lean keys. All right, yeah, it's the moon because I have a lunar rock. So yep, so that one. So it's all set. So again, they have this key rings in here. So these are helpful to add. So again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link. It's an Amazon associate link. I earn some commission. It doesn't cost you anything, but if you use the link, That will help me make more videos like this. All right. So again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.